Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Guys, as you can see here, we have come with another website for you today, and I will be showing you how I will withdraw my money directly to my bank. This is my current balance on this website that I want to bring for you today, and I will be showing you how I will withdraw this money to my account. So guys, first of all, I will put my bank info. I'll put my bank info. So account holder's name. So I'll just put John Titus. Bank name. So I will use one of these online banking. So I will be showing you how I withdraw this money to show you that this website is legit and it is paying. So quickly, let me use, for the sake of this video, I will use PalmPay. For the sake of this video, I will use PalmPay. So I'll click on confirm, then account number. So I'll put this account number. So this is my account number. Then I'll click on submit. So guys, as you can see, our bank has been added. So let us go back. So guys, as you can see, the next thing we're going to be doing from here. So guys, as you can see, the next thing you're going to be doing here, you have to go to your home. You click on this home button. So here we have, this is my balance as I've showed you. So I click on this withdraw. So let's wait for it to see if we can be able to actually withdraw this money or not. So guys, as you can see here, we have to enter the withdrawal amount, and here I'll put 2,400. So I will click on withdraw here. I will click on withdraw. So guys, as you can see, withdrawal are being processed. Please be patient. So guys, while this is pending, I will be showing you how to use this application. It is this website. Just like the way I said, it is an amazing and unique website that you can be able to use. So guys, as you can see, wow, guys, as you can see, our money have just been sent to us right now. This is our money. It has just been sent to us. Let's open it to confirm. So guys, I click on this. Let me click on it. So guys, as you can see, our money has been dropped just right now. Our money has been dropped just right now. So guys, as you can see, it shows that this application or this website is working perfectly. And how do we use this website? So I will be dropping the link on the description. If you just click on the comment box, if you just click on the link, it will be bringing you like this. So you have to click on this sign up. If you click on this sign up like this here, you have to put your phone number, you have to insert this captcha, you have to insert password. So after then you click on sign up. So because I have an account, I will just log in quickly. So guys, as you can see, this is the website. But if you want to register, guys, there are many ways you can register. This is a Ponzi scheme actually. So this is a Ponzi scheme. So we believe in investment and we believe in risk. So if you're sort of a person that believe in investment on the risks, then you can be able to do this. So with your 1,500, you can be able to deposit, and then you can get 375 naira every day. But with your 3,000, you can be able to get 750 naira every day. And I will recommend that you use this one. I will be recommending this one. And how do we make this payment? All what you need to do, you just have to click on this 3,000. So this site was launched yesterday morning. This site was launched yesterday morning. This is the most important thing. This site was launched just yesterday in the morning, and it is currently working perfectly. So once you click like this, here it will be coming up like this, and here you have to click on this buy. So once you click on this buy like this, so you wait for it to load for some seconds. You wait for it to load. So after it loads, here you have to click on OK. Don't forget we have a time that you can be able to use to make this payment. And after then, here you have to click, or you have to insert your name. That's the name you are using on your bank. And then also, this is the account number you can send this particular money to. This is the account number you can send this money to. So after you must have done that, so this is the account number you can be able to send the money to. So after you must have sent the money and you are sure you have sent the money, here you have to click on I have paid. I have paid. I will be dropping my number on the description. In case if you have any problem, you can contact me directly on my WhatsApp. So after you have clicked on that, let's go back, because me I've already made payment, and just like you see, I have withdraw. And guys, as you can see, my balance is now 0. And then how do we see our referral link? Guys, do you know that if you refer anybody on this website, you'll be able to get 1,100 every day. Each person you refer, you get 1,100, and the minimum withdrawal of this particular website is just 1,000 naira. This is the minimum withdrawal of this website. Imagine inviting up to 5 people, or imagine inviting up to 10 people. You can be able to get up to 13,000 or 14,000 in a day. So guys, this website is amazing. So let's click on this me here to see. So we click on it. And then guys, in order to see your referral link, here you have to click on this view your QR. So here you can be able to copy and you can be able to send it to your friends. Once your friend register with your link, you get 1,100 each person that register, and you can withdraw instantly. And again guys, do you know that with this website you can get 750 every day, 750 every day once you register. For instance, if you register this as site now, tomorrow by this time you get your 750, and once your account is up to 1,000, you can withdraw to your account, just like the way I have shown you. So guys, as you can see, you can also put your bank information. If you want to withdraw your money, you can go back to your home. After you click on home, so here you click on withdraw. Guys, please, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please request you that subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share with your friends. So guys, as you can see, this is how this website works. Even if you do not have referral friends, you can be able to leave this website, or you can be able to leave your account, because every day you get 750, every day you get 750. So if you have any problem, just drop your comment on the comment box. I'll also drop my number on the description and comment section for easy access. Thanks for watching guys. See you on our next video. Bye bye.